Hi everyone, I'm Bob Grip. Welcome to the fourth match of the 2016 HiQ season sponsored by New Horizons Credit Union. Today's match features students from Williamson, Citronelle, and the home team, BC Rain. The questions you're going to hear this morning are prepared in 16 categories by educators throughout the country who are all experts in their fields. They try to make the questions equally challenging. Here's how the points are awarded. In a regular category, each team will receive its own question in that area. The teams will then have 15 seconds and 4 opportunities to answer. A correct answer on the first try is worth 4 points. Each time an incorrect answer is given, it's worth 1 less point. And if a team misses it entirely, either of the other 2 teams up here can gain 1 point with a correct answer, and I'll explain some of the other scoring as we go on. All right, teams, good luck, everybody. We'll start with some questions in current events. Start, as we always do, with our home team. A group of gun-toting extremists arrived in a western state to protest long prison terms of 2 local ranchers convicted of arson. The protesters wanted to restore local control of federal land. In which state did this standoff end peacefully after 81 days? 5 seconds, we see that.
No answer.
Okay, who buzzed in early? Citronelle. Okay, Williamson, you get first shot at this?
Utah.
No, sorry, Citronelle.
Oregon.
Oregon is right. 1 point for Citronelle. All right, Citronelle, here's your question. Stephen Avery became the centerpiece of a media docuseries which aired on Netflix. This series examined a single story over multiple episodes. Avery served 18 years in prison and was released after DNA testing proved he wasn't guilty. He was later arrested for murder. Give the complete name of this docuseries.
Making a Murderer.
Correct. 4 points. Williamson. A groundbreaking greenhouse recently opened on top of a soap factory in this Midwestern city. It is likely the largest rooftop garden in the world. In which American city is this greenhouse? Seconds. Citronelle.
Chicago.
Chicago is right. 1 point for Citronelle. All right, now we're going to change our categories to American history. In 1850, there were 15 free and 15 slave states, creating an equilibrium concerning slavery. Give the name of the state whose possible admission to the Union would upset this equilibrium.
Texas.
Try again.
Georgia.
Try again.
Virginia.
Try again.
Mississippi.
Nope. Teams, wait for the buzzer if you'd like to answer. Don't buzz in early. Citronelle?
Missouri.
No. Williamson?
South Carolina.
No, it was California. California was the state. All right, Citronelle, your question. A U.S. naval officer in 1854 presented silk-bound letters to the leaders of Japan requesting free trade and friendly relations. Give the complete name and rank of this U.S. naval officer. Five seconds.
Arthur McDouglas.
Try again. Okay, BC Rain.
Daniel Shea.
No, sorry, Williamson. No, it was Commodore Matthew Perry. That was the answer we needed. Williamson, your question. In 1853, Mexico ceded to the United States a parcel of land, now part of New Mexico and Arizona, for the construction of a railway line. Give the last name of the South Carolina railroad man who had been appointed minister to Mexico and negotiated this treaty with Mexico. 5 seconds.
Thomas.
Try again. Okay, Citronelle.
Gadsden.
Yeah, that's right. Very good, 1 point. Biology is a topic. To our home team. Identify the ability to do work. Five seconds. Citronelle.
Energy.
Energy is right. 1 point. Okay, Citronelle, your biology question. Identify the name of the semi-fluid matrix that fills the interior of the cell.
Chlorophyll.
Try again.
Cytoplasm.
Yes, cytoplasm. 3 points. Williamson, give the name of the primary pigment molecule in most photosystems.
Chlorophyll.
Yeah, that's right. 4 points. Okay, time for our first toss-up of the match. It's in sports. So teams, hands on your buzzers. First team to push its buzzer answers first. 4 points for a correct answer, but only one answer per team. So here's the question in sports. Freestyle skiing, which debuted in the 1988 Olympic Games, combines speed, showmanship, and the ability to perform aerial maneuvers while skiing. Give the last name of the United States skier who brought home the gold in the slopestyle event.
Kotzenberg.
Sorry. In the slopestyle event at the 2014 Winter Olympics. BC Rain and Williamson, you have what's left of 15 seconds. As soon as you know the answer, buzz in. It was Christensen. Christensen was the answer we needed. All right, back to a regular category. It's literature. Back to BC Rain. In Mark Twain's short story titled The Invalid's Story, although the narrator never heard of this particular type of cheese before, give the name of the type of pungent-smelling cheese the narrator must endure the aroma of during his long journey by train.
Parmesan.
Try again.
Mozzarella.
Try again.
Cheddar.
Try again.
Pepper jack.
No. Teams, wait for the buzzer. Don't buzz in early. Williamson.
Blue cheese.
No. Citronelle.
Newhurst.
No. Limburger cheese. Limburger. Stinky cheese. All right, Citronelle, your question. In Edith Wharton's short story titled The Other Two, give the first name of Mrs. Waythorn's child who becomes ill.
Lily.
Correct, 4 points. All right, Williamson, your question. In Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's short story titled The Red-Headed League, identify the month in which part-time employee Mr. Jabez Wilson arrived at his office to find the office locked and a sign announcing the Red-Headed League is dissolved.
September.
Try again.
October.
Yes, 3 points. October, very good. All right, now we're going to change the rules again and change the topic. We're going to ask some questions in math. So teams will have 60 seconds to give me an answer, and each team will receive its own math question. So this first math question goes to BC Rain, so everyone open your yellow math envelopes, please. The average weight of the skin or peel of a particular type of orange is 1/16 of the total weight of the orange. If a peeled orange plus 7/8 of an ounce weight balances the weight of an unpeeled orange, the weight in ounces of a peeled orange can be written as a fraction P over Q ounces, where P and Q are positive integers with no common factors. What is the value of P plus Q? Again, this is BC Rain's question for what's left of a minute, exclusively theirs. They can give me 4 possible answers if they need to. Thirty seconds left for BC Rain. Ten seconds. Citronelle.
15/16.
Sorry. Williamson. Do you have an answer?
No answer.
No. 113 is the answer we needed. All right. Next math question goes to Citronelle. Everyone open your red math envelopes, please. For positive real numbers, A is less than B is less than C is less than D. Equation 1 is A plus B equals 8. Equation 2 is A minus B plus C equals 6. Equation 3 is A minus B minus C plus D equals 1. And equation 4 is C plus D equals 19. What is the value of C as an integer? Thirty seconds left for Citronelle. Ten seconds.
15,
Try again.
1,
Try again.
4,
Try again.
16.
Nope. Teams wait for the buzzer if you'd like to answer. Hey, BC Rain or Williamson want to?
14.
No, sorry. BC Rain.
7.
8. 8 was the answer we needed. So close. All right, next math question goes to Williamson. Everyone open your blue math envelopes. A rectangle in the coordinate plane has vertices. A is the pair 1 and 1, B is the pair 6 and 1, C is the pair 6 and 13, and D is the pair 1 and 13. If a circle is drawn to include all 4 points, what will be the radius as an integer of the circle? So all algebra questions today. Thirty seconds left for Williamson. Ten seconds. Hey, BC Rain or Citronelle? Anybody have an answer? Citronelle?
5,
No? BC Rain?
12.
13. Off by one again. All right, we're going to leave math behind now, okay? We're going to move on to a different category. It's Shakespeare. Question to BC Rain. In Act 3, Scene 6 of Henry V, Pistol and Fluellen ask mercy for their fellow soldier who is condemned to death for theft of a religious object. Give me the name of the thief.
Scored.
Try again.
Baldoff.
Yes, 3 points, right.
Good job. Finally on the board. 27.
Citronelle, your question. In Act 1, Scene 3 of Hamlet, following the coronation of Claudius, Laertes prepares to return to school. Give the name of the country to which he intends to return.
France,
4 points, correct. Williamson, the Ides of March is an important part of the action in Julius Caesar in Act 3, Scene 1. Give the name of the exact day in March known as the Ides.
March 15th.
That's right. Very good. 4 points. All right, geography is the topic. To our home team. 3 republics are collectively called the Baltic republics because their shores lie in the Baltic Sea. 2 of these are Lithuania and Latvia. Give the name of the 3rd Baltic republic.
Slovakia.
Try again.
Lithuania.
Try again. Citronelle.
Estonia.
Estonia is right. 1 point for Citronelle. All right, Citronelle, here's your question in geography. Dushanbe is the capital of a republic that shares its borders with Kyrgyzstan and Uzbekistan. Give the name of this republic.
Tajikistan.
Right, 4 points. And Williamson, Russia's stride toward capitalism has been hampered by the country's enormous size. In geography, there exists the concept that the farther away locations are from each other, the less interaction there is between them. Give the two-word term for this concept. Five seconds. Citronelle.
Long distance.
Good answer, but it's wrong. BC Rain. No, it's distance decay. Distance decay is what we needed. All right. Halfway through our competition, BC Rain has 3 points, Williamson has 11, Citronelle has 24.
Need a loan for a newer used car, truck, RV, ATV, or even home? A credit union's the way to go. We're New Horizons Credit Union, the largest local credit union in Southwest Alabama, where your deposits help a neighbor purchase a car or home. It goes right back into our local economy. So if you live, work, worship, or go to school in Southwest Alabama, don't send your money to Mississippi or Florida. Go local. Join New Horizons Credit Union. We have roots here, not just branches.
All right, we are ready to start the second half of our competition. Topic now is chemistry. And let's ask some chemistry questions now. First to BC Rain. State the name used to refer to substances that dissolve in water to form a solution that conducts electricity.
Catalyst.
Try again. Citronelle.
Solvent.
Sorry. Williamson.
Solute.
No, an electrolyte. Electrolyte conducts electricity in water. Citronelle, here's your question. State the name of the other product if nitrogen dioxide reacts with carbon monoxide to give nitrogen monoxide.
Oxygen,
Try again.
ammonia,
Try again.
water,
Try again. Hey, Williamson.
Ammonium.
No, BC Rain. Carbon dioxide is the answer we needed. Williamson, your question. Give the number of carbon atoms found in one molecule of hydrogen cyanate.
8.
Try again.
4,
Try again.
2,
Try again.
3.
Nope, teams wait for the buzzer. Don't buzz in early. Citronelle.
3.
No. BC Rain.
6.
1. 1 was the answer. No points on that one. All right, we're going to move to art history now. To BC Rain. Give the last name of the French artist who created the painting titled The Painter's Studio, a work that was refused by the prestigious and influential Salon of 1855.
Courbet.
Right, 4 points. Very good. Hey, Citronelle. In the foreground of the painting titled The Meeting by Gustave Courbet, tell the number of men who are standing on a dirt road in the middle of the countryside beneath a bright blue sky.
6.
Try again.
4.
Try again.
3.
Yes, 2 points. Very good. Williamson. This painting by Monet captures a woman and her young son out for a walk on a green hillside. The woman is seen in full-length profile wearing a long white dress. The little boy is seen in the background climbing up the hill to where his mother is standing. Give me the title of this painting.
Walking up the hill.
Try it again.
Mother and son.
Try again. Okay, BC Rain or Citronelle. Now it's called Woman with a Parasol. That's the name of the painting. All right, time to change things up. We're going to ask some questions in team choice. Now, before the match began, each team chose the question it wanted to be quizzed on. So there's 4 points for a correct answer, but in team choice there's a wrinkle in this. There's only one answer per team. So teams, if I rule the original team's answer wrong, buzz in immediately. You don't have to wait for the shot clock to run down to 0. Okay? BC Rain, you chose American history. Here's your question. One answer, please. Anti-slavery societies began to appear, and abolitionist sentiment first stirred at the time of the Revolution, especially among this group of people. Give the name of this Christian group. One answer.
Catholics.
No, sorry. Citronelle or Williamson? Citronelle.
Quakers.
Quakers is right. 2 points for Citronelle. All right, Citronelle, you chose Shakespeare. Again, just one answer in this. Give the name of the character who delivers these lines from Act 5, Scene 2 of A Midsummer Night's Dream. If these shadows have offended, think but this and all is mended.
Puck.
That's right, 4 points. Williamson, your question, you chose literature. Again, just one answer. In Edith Wharton's short story titled The Muses' Tragedy, give the first name of Mrs. Anderton, the woman who was the inspiration for one of poet Vincent Rendle's sonnets, especially the one titled Sylvia.
Sylvia.
Sorry. B.C. Ray, Citronelle.
Mary.
Mary is right. 2 points. Okay, time for our second toss-up of the match, so everybody hands on your buzzers, please. Topic is geography. As soon as you think you know the answer, buzz in. Get 4 points for a correct answer. Here it is. A river in southwestern Russia flows south, then west, until it empties into the Sea of Azov near the city of Rostov. This river lies between the Volga and the Dnieper drainage basins. Give the name of the river. Williamson.
Volga River.
Sorry. Citronelle.
O.
Sorry. B.C. Rain, it's all yours. Oh, it's the Don River. D-O-N River. Physics is our topic. Back to our home team. State the name of the International System Unit for Density. Five seconds. Okay, anybody want to venture an answer there? Okay, Citronelle.
Milliliter.
No. Williamson.
Grams.
No. Kilogram per meter cubed. That's what we need. Citronelle. State the name given to substances in which electrons are tightly bound to the nuclei of particular atoms and are not free to wander about other atoms in the substance.
Constricted.
Try again.
Bonds.
Try again.
Ions.
Try again. Okay, Williamson.
Covalent bonds.
No. B.C. Rain. No, they're called insulators. Insulators. Williamson. Give the name of the type of friction that must be overcome in order to get an object initially at rest moving.
Drag.
Try again.
Kinetic.
Try again. Citronelle.
Inertia.
No. B.C. Rain.
Gravity.
No. Static. Static friction. American government is our topic. Back to B.C. Rain. Delegates from all but one of the 13 colonies met in Philadelphia on September 5th, 1774 for the First Continental Congress.
Georgia.
That's right. Georgia is right. You knew that very early. All right. All right, Citronelle. Give the name of the term that can be defined as a body of people living in a defined territory, organized politically, and with the power to make and enforce laws without the consent of any higher authority.
Popular sovereignty.
Try again.
Citizens.
Try again.
Population.
Try again. B.C. Rain.
Democracy.
No. Williamson.
People's Republic.
No. Defined a state. Just a state. Williamson, your question. Give the name of the government power to make laws and to frame public policies. Five seconds. Citronelle.
Sovereignty.
No. B.C. Rain.
Legislator.
Say it again.
Legislator.
Spell it for me.
Legis. Lature.
Sorry. No, I needed legislative power. Legislature is the body. World history. The topic to BC Rain. To keep up morale and support for a war, governments sometimes censor news about fighting. They might also disseminate one-sided information designed to persuade citizens to support the war effort. Give the name for this type of persuasive writing.
Propaganda.
Propaganda is right, 4 points. Citronelle, your question. When the Bolshevik leader Lenin suffered a stroke in 1922, two men competed for the leadership of the Communist Party. One was Leon Trotsky. The other man began as the general secretary of the Communist Party and eventually became a totalitarian dictator of Russia. Give me the name of this man.
Stalin.
Stalin is right, 4 points. All right, Williamson, your question. Great Britain, France, and Russia together formed the Triple Entente during the First World War. Eventually, Japan and Italy joined their forces. Give the name by which these nations were collectively known.
Allied powers.
That's right, 4 points. All right, we are down to the last question in today's contest. So, this last question is worth 4 points. It's a toss-up. Teams, open your math envelopes now. If angle A in standard position on the unit circle has its terminal side in the third quadrant with coordinates -5/13 for x component and -12/13 for the y coordinate, then the secant of angle A can be written as a fraction of two integers, p over q with no common factors. What is the value of p plus q? Trigonometry. Thirty seconds, teams. Ten seconds. Citronelle.
1,
Sorry. BC Brain or Williamson, up to you. Anybody buzz in?
Negative.
Somebody, okay, go ahead.
Negative 17 over 13.
Sorry, BC Rain?
3.
8. 8 was the answer. We gave no points. So, our final score today, BC Rain and Williamson tied at 15. Citronelle, today's winner, with 38 points.